Forecast.
All right, yes, today was another mild day after coming off the weekend, which was mild. Of course, we dealt with the rain, which was certainly needed, and that storm system that spawned the severe weather across the southern states yesterday and this weekend brought us the warmth that we saw over the weekend. Here's the shot midday from Kenneth Johnston at Afton. Skies beginning to clear for more sunshine, and yes, it was a bit breezy, but it was certainly a mild afternoon. Afternoon high touching 58 today. We're currently 50 at the airport, a light southerly wind. Temperatures will chill down tonight, but not drastically cold. 46 the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, afternoon high of 54. So numbers were running basically 5 to 10 degrees above average for this time of year. Still some lower 50s across portions of the Piedmont. There we are at Palmyra at 50. 46 currently in Waynesboro, 50 there in Madison, and 46 currently in Harrisonburg. Temperatures tonight generally in the mid to upper 30s. We start with clear skies, then more clouds will start to roll in, so partly cloudy. Then for New Year's Eve, the day starts dry, but by mid to late afternoon and beyond, we will start to see some rain showers roll in. So the clouds will thicken up. Still a mild day in the low and mid 50s, just not as high as what we saw over the weekend. And then it looks like the time frame really for the rains anywhere from about 3 to about 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. But we're not looking at a whole lot of rain and more of the showery conditions, a tenth to maybe a quarter of an inch across the region. There could be some heavier pockets. But as we get closer toward tomorrow evening late and tomorrow night to bring in the new year, things should be drying out. Skies beginning to clear, but it will turn breezy. So a midnight temperature here in Charlottesville about the mid 40s to ring in 2025. Speaking of the headline for the new year, on Wednesday, we're going to have windy conditions. Winds gusting over 20, 30 plus miles an hour, over 50 potentially along the Blue Ridge Mountains. So there could be a wind advisory for at least some or portions of the area for Wednesday as we head into that time frame. So some showers tomorrow afternoon and evening, followed by drier conditions, but the temperatures continue to chill down. Upper 40s to near 50 on Wednesday, and then on Thursday in the low and mid 40s, and it gets even colder as we roll into the weekend as we're tracking another Arctic blast. So high pressure briefly overhead tonight, and that slips offshore. Those clouds well offshore, part of the system that brought the severe weather over the weekend and brought us rain. And then this is our next storm system working down from the Dakotas through Nebraska and Iowa. Missouri will head through the Ohio Valley, and then that will head toward our region and up into the northeast as we get into tomorrow night. So temperatures are colder behind this system, but it gets even colder as we roll into the weekend. So we're going to look and replace the mild conditions. An Arctic boundary will cross the region on Friday, and then this weekend, daytime highs in the 30s, morning lows in the teens and 20s. And here's a snapshot. Friday midday afternoon, there could be a few rain or snow showers, but then the cold air settles in for both Saturday and Sunday, dry during both of those days. Late Sunday night and into Monday, there is the potential for a little light snow. We'll follow that over the next several days, of course, 6 to 7 days out. Here we are in the morning. Clouds are thickening up. Mid-afternoon and beyond, those showers start to arrive. Temperatures are again in the 50s, and then we'll start to clear out around midnight and beyond. It will be windy here on Wednesday for the new year. 30s and 40s to start, but afternoon highs only in the mid-40s to around 50. Tonight, skies turn partly cloudy. It's chilly, but not drastically cold. Mid-30s to around 40. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After those rain showers depart for Tuesday, we'll start to see those windy conditions, and we usher in the new year, and the Arctic blast will follow by the end of